Hey boys and girls, so on Friday you did this manta ray versus stingray, taking two texts and comparing them and contrasting them and all of that good stuff. So today we're going to use the same articles. So you should have this manta ray and stingray. If you still have it printed or somewhere like that, awesome. If you don't, there's another copy in Schoology. You can just read it off the iPad or print it again, whatever you choose to do. So you have this. Now you have two things to do for me today. You need to complete this sheet, and I'll make it a little bit bigger. So your job is to put a blue X in the boxes that pertain to manta rays and a green X in the boxes that pertain to stingrays. This should be super easy. It shouldn't take you more than like 2 or 3 minutes to do. Go back in the text, double check, make sure that it makes sense what you're choosing. Don't rush through it because I'm saying it shouldn't take very long, but definitely shouldn't be something that takes you a whole lot of time. Then what you're really going to work on is these text-dependent questions. So the number one says, explain the reason why humans probably do not need to fear manta rays. My big thing here is these questions are relatively easier. They're coming right from the text. They're things that you can definitely pull out. What I want you to make sure that you're doing is writing with complete, well thought out sentences. Do not just write, they don't need to fear them because they're nice, or because they're nice. I want to see something like, humans probably don't need to fear manta rays because. For number 2, why are stingrays considered more dangerous than manta rays? Stingrays are considered more dangerous than manta rays because. Which of the two rays likely live longer? How do you know? Blank will live longer because. Those are sentence starters. We want you to restate. You want to put thought into this and make sure those sentences are well structured and well thought out. That's the biggie here. So not only should you be going back and making sure your answers are correct, but you should be making sure that they are complete sentences, not just 2 or 3 words. So those are your directions for today. Maybe I would probably go back and reread. So you're going to reread your article. Make sure you do this little review with some X's on the ones that are manta rays, the X's on the ones that are stingrays, and then these questions. And you're going to submit them to us. There are 2 separate submissions. So this will be submitted as one assignment, and this is submitted as the other assignment just to make it a little bit easier for you. Have fun.